What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jazz in a bit, and today I have another wig install for you guys. Today I am going to be installing Yolissa Hair. It's a HD lace wig. This wig was really nice. I'm just showing you guys everything that came in it, the eyelashes, the HD wig caps. They also gave me that pink band, which is going to go around my head as a scarf. And they also sent me this Yolissa hair bag to store my wig in after I install it, and this nice wig band. The wig band was really tight and it worked really well. So keep watching to see how I used all of these items that they sent me. I'm just opening up this wig band just to show you guys how it looks and what size it is, and it comes with the Velcro band in the back. Very strong, very tight, as I said before. Here's the bag, and this is all their information on the back: WhatsApp, email, TikTok, Instagram, and their website. So you guys can go on their website to see other wigs if you want another color. These are the eyelashes, and here is the pink band that they sent me. This is a silk band. I use this every night to basically wrap my hair, and I've officially had this wig in for 2 weeks, and I must say that this wig is very nice, and it definitely held up to its qualities. So just giving you guys a 2-week update as well in this same video, that I kept the wig in for 2 weeks and the lace did not lift. So for this wig, I did get a P4 613. This is a body wave wig, but when I say it came curled, it came curled. It already came curled, so I did not have to style it in this video. I did not style it. The curls are really bouncy, really full, and I loved it. And look at this lace, y'all. HD lace. You guys can see my skin straight through it, and then they already parted it in the middle, so I left it in the middle, and then it comes pre-plucked, and the density is very thick. It's a 13x4 lace. As you guys can see, it goes ear to ear, 13x4 lace, and it is also 24 inches, 100% human hair. So it comes with the elastic band in the back. In case you want to wear it as glueless, you can. I glued mine just so that I don't have to worry about it falling off, but it can be glueless and it won't come off with that elastic band in the back. But I just like mine secured with glue, so I will be doing a glued install. Look at these curls, y'all. I cannot believe it stayed. Like, they shipped the hair to me and everything, and these beautiful curls stayed all the way through. So yes, the elastic band, and it comes with the 3 combs on the inside. I love this wig, and the curls are bomb, and the color is bombed. Everything looks good, y'all. And look at that lace just blending straight in with my hair. So now we're about to go ahead and get into this install. Alright y'all, so to start this install, I'm going to be using the Got2b glue. It's like a white paste. It's just going to slick my edges back just so that they don't get damaged when I put on my wig cap and the wig. So I'm just taking this glue, applying it to all sides of my edges, and just taking an edge brush and just swooping it back with the edge brush, brushing it back. I want all my baby hairs and all my edges to be secured so that they do not break off. Now I'm going to be applying this HD wig cap. You heard me, I said HD. Only use the HD wig caps now, and the other ones are really too thick, I feel like. So yeah, buy you guys some HD wig caps, or it's gonna come with the wig. If you purchase this exact wig, they do supply you with HD wig caps. So on both sides, I'm just cutting holes to make sure that my ears are out of the wig cap. And now I'm taking this wig glue. I use Bold Hold, the one that's for oily skin, because I do have oily skin and I do not want my install to lift up really quick. So I'm just taking this wig glue and applying it to the edges of my hair. I'm not going to put it on my hair, but right at the tip of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm just applying this from one ear to the other. Make sure that that wig cap is secured all the way down on the front. And I'm just going to let it dry, and then we're going to move on to the next step.
Chopper gon' beat like it's Mike with the man.
So now that the wig cap is glued down, I'm going to make sure that it is glued and that it is dry all the way before I do this. As you guys can see, you could barely see the white glue, so that means that it has dried for the most part. I'm taking my Cream Kiss foundation in a shade 11 and also a shade 14, and I just mixed the two together, and I'm going to add this cream foundation onto the lace of my wig so that it blends in with my natural skin complexion. And then I'm also going to take this same foundation brush with this cream foundation on it. I'm going to apply it to my HD wig cap. So you want your HD wig cap to be the same complexion of your skin. You want everything to match the complexion of your natural skin tone. Alright, and now that I am done applying this Cream Kiss foundation onto my wig cap, I'm going to be cutting the excess layer of the wig cap. So this HD wig cap, I'm going to just cut it to make sure that nothing is covered except for the edges and my cornrows, basically. As you guys can see, I took that eyebrow razor blade and I just cut along the edges of the part that did not get glued down. And now I'm going in with this wig glue again. I'm just going to dot along the edges where the wig cap is glued, and I'm going to take the edge of my edge brush and just smooth it out very smoothly. You want to make sure it's a smooth layer applied, or else it's going to be hard to put your wig down. So yeah, and I also did 2 layers of glue. I didn't show both layers, but I do 2 layers of glue, and then I smooth it out with the edge of the wig brush. And look, y'all, them curls are still holding. Remember when I said it came pre-curled? You do not have to do much to this wig. The curls are still holding. So I basically just pressed the wig down with the comb, with the blue comb. I pressed it down to make sure that it was stuck to the glue, and now I'm just going in with some spritz spray, and now I'm going to take the wig band, make it really tight, and I'm going to let it stay on for about 10 minutes. And now, as you guys can see, I'm going to cut the excess lace off of this wig to give myself a natural hairline with the wig. If you have too much of the lace on, then I don't know, it's not going to look right. So make sure that you're cutting off that excess lace. I did both sides, and the wig came pre-plucked, so I did not have to pluck it. And just watch as I define my middle part, and then I'm going to be doing my edges, and then I'm going to style the wig. So just follow along. So to define my part, I'm just going to be taking these blue tweezers and just going down the middle, making sure that there's no hair. And then I'm going to take a lighter foundation, cream foundation color. Everything I use is cream foundation because I don't want it to move. If you use powder, it's not going to work. So take that lighter foundation and just make a straight line from the center of your head, just going all the way back. Alright, y'all, and now it's time to do these edges. Baby hairs have got to be, I don't know, a 10 out of 10 on every install, because if your baby hairs don't look right, your install is not going to look right. So don't pull out too much hair, but pull out just enough. And then I always cut the hair right above my eyebrow, because I'm going to curl it and then make a swoop. So right above your eyebrow should be fine, depending on how low your hairline is. Then I take my very, very thin curler to do my baby hairs. This is like a baby hair curler. You could just go to the beauty supply store and ask for it if you do not have one. And then I also do sideburns, and if you can fit one more edge in the middle, then I would do that too. But because I was rushing to get to work, I did not have too much time to do that. So now I'm going to be cutting it right below my ear, and then I'm going to take the flat iron, the baby hair curler, and I'm just going to curl that as well. Then after this, I'm going to go in with some spritz spray and maybe a little bit of mousse. If it's not staying down, you guys can use mousse, but the spritz spray should be able to work. You're going to take that comb or edge brush and just swoop it back. I must say my sideburns came out better than I expected, and the baby hairs at the top looked really, really good.
Chopper gon' beat like it's Mike with the man.
And now to finish styling my wig, I'm just going to be putting 2 braids at the top going straight back, because I did want to style it a little bit different than I normally style my wigs. So I'm going to be parting the hair down the middle with the 2 braids on the side, adding a few more curls, and that's gonna be it, y'all. So make sure you guys buy this wig. The link is in the description box below. I have everything in the description box below, their website, everything. So make sure you guys shop Yolissa Hair. This is a P4 613 wig. See you guys in the next install.